Hello guys, welcome to this video. We all like to earn money doing simple tasks or without even doing anything. We all like to earn passively, right? So today I'm going to show you this simple application that you can download and install on your Windows PC or on your Android application or on your Mac PC. So you can just simply download it, install it, and you can earn money from it. You don't have to do anything else. So I'm going to show you. Here is my recent payment from this app, which is $20 here, $20.10, which was sent today, 5th December. I'm going to show you my payout history here. You see the payment was successful today, 5th December. So all you have to do is just go to the link in the description and register yourself here. You just need to provide an email and your password and then click sign up. If you want to click redeem coupon code, you don't have to do it, but you can do it with my coupon code here. It's FAHAD 5D2. You can just simply put this coupon code here, or you can just simply register using the link. Then what you have to do, you're going to get this dashboard here. In this dashboard, you're going to see how much have you earned every day. Okay, so the more devices you have, the better internet speed your network has, the more you are going to earn. Okay, so let me just show you how you can earn every day, how much you can earn. So if you're getting 10 GB of transaction every day, you can earn up to $3 per month. If you are getting up to 5 GBs, you can earn up to $15 per month. If you are getting 11 gigabytes per day of transactions, then you can earn up to $33 per month. And if your transaction goes up to 100 gigabytes per day, you can earn up to $300 per month. Alright, so that money you're earning without just doing anything. You don't have to do anything, and this application will earn for you. So what it does is it actually shares your internet connection, your extra internet connection. It's not going to slow down your internet or your PC. It doesn't do that. Okay, so you can find everything in this FAQ section. You can find all the questions here. So HoneyGain is a crowdsourced network company which enables other businesses to conduct intelligence, market, and business research. Okay, so is it safe? Yeah, of course it is safe. So you will find all your information that you need in here, or else you can contact them through their support. They're very responsive, and you can use up to 6 devices per network. Suppose that you are using a broadband network and you are using a router for Wi-Fi, then you can use up to 6 devices along with your PC or mobile in the single network, and you can use unlimited devices if you're using different networks. And you're also earning from your referrals. You can also earn from your referrals every day. You can see your transaction history here, how much you're earning every day. The minimum payout is $20. So that's it. It's really simple. And here is the app installed on my PC, and this is my last 30 days transaction history. So this one is a legit application that pays, that I think that you can use it without any hesitation. This application is paying for a long time. You can do some research on the internet if you want. So don't miss it, guys. Use it and earn money. Thank you.